Satoshi Core mining app, airdrop mining app, has a high potential of making you money, but unfortunately, a good number of you don't know how to make money from this app. So I have decided to teach you how to make money from this app by using a complete guide video and series that I'll be posting on this YouTube channel. So make sure you watch all of them so that you can maximize your potential of earning from $10 to $100 in this whole week and whole month. Okay, so if you like this video and you want to get value from it, or you're interested in earning money from the Satoshi app, make sure you watch all this and use my referral code to watch all the videos. All right, let's tap into it. So Satoshi app is an airdrop mining app, and they are currently holding or offering a second airdrop. And a lot of you guys have already missed the first airdrop, so make sure you don't miss this other one because it's gonna make a lot of money very soon, and you can also earn an additional coin from this mining app. So to start, the first thing that I'm gonna teach you today is how to sign up and log in on this app so you can start mining. Okay, so let's jump into it. Okay, to start mining, you will need a link to the Satoshi app. The link will be in the description box below. Just click on it and it will take you to this page. Once you're in this page, make sure that you click on the button that says register and start airdrop, or it says start airdrop mining. Once you click on that button, it will take you to this page where you have to put your email address and then click on the button that says I have read and accept the policies and terms of the use. Once you've done that, you have to click on the button that says next. Then it will take you to this page. Put a verification code, an image input verification code that will be here. All right, the one that will be here. Once you put it, then you click next. Then it will take you to this section where you have to download the app, either via on Google Play or Android APK. But I recommend that you download the APK because it's gonna bring you more features and maybe a higher mining because you need more coins so that you can make money. Once you click on that, it will tell you that this app is harmful. So all you have to do is to click on download anyway. All right. Okay. And then once you click on download, the file will start downloading. And once the download has been completed or is successful, you will then have to install it. So you have to open the file and click install, and then this pop-up button will come. You just have to click install and it will start installing. Okay, if it says that the installation is not done successfully, just know that your phone has a low space, and all you have to do is to create some delete some files from your phone just to create some space. Okay, the same thing will happen on the app. If you're downloading on the app and you see that the app is not going through or it's not being downloaded, just create some space. Okay, so once you have installed the app, you need to open it, and once you open it, to take you to this page. Okay, so that's how you have with that, it means you have downloaded the app and you have registered. Okay, so the next thing is to log on the app. Okay, so to log on the app, as I've said, you have to click on the start airdrop. Once you click on start airdrop, it will take you to this page. So you have to put your email, your password, and then click on login. Once you click on login, it will take you to this section, and in this section you have to read the Satoshi app policy, privacy policy. And once you're done, click on dismiss, and it will take you back to this page. While you're here, all you have to do is to click on the login button. Okay, click on the login button. Once you click on the login button, it will tell you to pick your country or your region. Okay, so once it tells you that, all you have to do is to search your country, and then once you search on your country, you have to click it, and you only have one option to choose your country. If you pick a wrong country, then that is your own funeral. So pick, like as for me, I picked Malawi because I'm from Malawi. Okay, so once you have done that, they'll give you an option to, you have to click OK. So then you come to the next page that will tell you go through a robot verification, like I say, a liveliness test. And in this in this section, all you have to do is to go through a recaptcha. You know what a recaptcha image is? Okay, so you have to verify some images, either to be a bus or whatever it is. Okay, and once you do that, it means you have verified your that you're not a robot. Okay, and then after that, they'll give you another option to verify that you are a real person. In this section, we call it a liveliness test. they will tell you to turn your head slowly while facing the camera, and then you have to do that face your head to the left slowly, then to the right slowly, and after that they will prove that you are human with those actions. And once you have done that, that means you'll be ready to start mining, and they will take you back to the login section, to the starting airdrop, which is this stage. So in this stage you have to click again on the start airdrop. Once you click on that start airdrop, you see that your mining will start right away, but you will not be mining the real coins at that point. So you will need another stage. So that's when you come to that part, you then need to do the next stage, which is start mining airdrop project. So to start mining the airdrop project, you have to join the project, and that's what I'm gonna teach you in the next video: how to join a project and start mining a project and earn some free core coins. Okay, so make sure you shoot the next video. But before I close on this video, you have to know that the first thing that you have to do when you join this app is to go is to claim free core that will be displayed on top of this section. Okay, just here you have seen that I'm participating in 4 projects, but before this, between the airdrop before the airdrop and this section, you will see that you will be receiving free core daily in the first 5 days. So make sure you click on claim free core in your first 5 days of mining. If you don't, that means you lose your core. As you can see, my wallet address, I have some free core. I've been receiving it in the first 5 days, so make sure you receive yours now. Okay, bye guys, I'll see you in my next video so you can learn how to join a project and start mining a project on Satoshi Airdrop mining. Bye guys.